You did this WhatsApp group. You contribute at least like 100K for this family.
I was first swear for her. So see, there's no harm, no bad in helping anyone. Especially when I your schoolmate. No harm. But not be when you do want to take reap people. This is reaping. This is scam.
Scam now. This one is a little bit funny, but some people go say no funny. So they say you get one particular family. Or one man rather, where we say, the guy asks donations for some people. They put everybody for WhatsApp group.
Yes.
So they come notice say 25 members, of which make I talk quote this person. Unwoyegi Mbote.
Unwoyegi Mbote.
Yes.
No be Nigerian.
Yes. He said I was added to a WhatsApp group in March of 2023. I noticed that it had 25 members, of which I knew almost 20 of them. I was surprised, but decided to see what the admin created this group for. The admin, my university mate, but from a different department, narrated a long message. He said the admin of the group later informed everyone. Say the purpose for the group now to seek financial assistance from one of their former classmates, where her husband no get job and she get belle with their third born. The Nigerian lady say all people were contributed with the lowest donation will be 50,000 naira and the highest donation 500,000 naira. Now how they take contribute the money for this particular family? She said she can't dey shocked too. As people they say new year new me, new year new location. This family don't jump, but they don't enter Canada.
Hey way. Hey God.
Person where they contribute for.
They contribute money for.
He don't
japa.
She say the lady go say as she see their family photo with location Canada, where snow they fall for their back. She said she can't reach out to the admin of the group. Say she need to get some clarity, say because they inform mom say the lady where they not believe say now Canada money all of them contribute for them to take jackpot because that's something else the woman contact.
That's very insensitive.
He said before they know wetin dey sup, say the woman don't block herself comot from the WhatsApp group. She don't exist.
They have helped her now. They have elevated her. She's not in the same level with them.
She don't exist in WhatsApp group. He said wetin dey vex her pass now something else they actually being contribute money for. Now something else they see. He said behold, I am seeing P and her family in Canada celebrating 8 months in Canada.
Hey,
I first confused. Like,
hey God,
am I sure of what I am seeing? I immediately called the group admin and asked her if she has spoken to P since we all did contribution for her. He said P has blocked me. She told us thanks on the group. And then sent any the screenshots where we say she just see from Facebook. She know they mentioned their phone. She they use their alphabet. He said that means P used lie to collect money from us. She knows we would fall for a scam. Guys, I need advice. Should I post the screenshot on this group for others to see what is going on, or should I just look away? Please, I need somebody to help me here. She can't put this Indumadu Dikwaegu. I don't know what it means.
Naibo not be
Naibo. What do you mean?
Wicked.
Terrible. He say somebody got to say with this thing where this person don't do now. Say she don't close door of help to any other person.
Guess what?
Need that.
Whoever really need that help again now go come outside. They don't agree answer. The same way all this I just got to UK, go open YouTube channel. The best way to come to UK is to use student visa. Use student visa, carry your family member, use this. Oh, they don't block everybody way right now. You just see.
If you for this WhatsApp group, I just want somebody like you. You did this WhatsApp group. You contribute at least like 100K for this family.
I was first swear for her. So see, there's no harm, no bad in helping anyone. Especially when I your schoolmate. No harm. But not be when you do want to take reap people. This is reaping. This is scam.
It's scam now.
Come on. They need to stay till Josh and call your name. They go deport you from Canada. Come back.
Canada.
Canada. You go come back from Canada. That's wrong. Because people had their money. Their intention was to help you. Not for you to use their money take me out. If you even come to say, oh, I want to travel. I need some people go see help you.
Now something else you talk say they want use money. Na jackpot money they try to put everything together. They gather together.
People are liars. Of hear them.
Hey,
now why people not they help people these days again?
Naija FM 102.7